We need to assemble excavator. Hooray! Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Keep up the good work. Dig up a basin ditch. We need to wash. Excavator. We did it! We have to assemble bulldozer. Move the part to its place. Drag the part to the right place. We did it! Filling bulldozer. Keep it up. Make a platform for an arbor. Let's fix the rusting. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Done! We have to assemble pipe layer. You're doing really great. Help the car reach its destination. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Keep up the good work. Lay pipes for the pool. We need to wash pipe layer. We did it! Build your own vehicle park.